Top 5 must-read books for entrepreneurs. Books can give new ideas and solutions to problems we commonly encounter. A good book is a self-help guide. Books meant for entrepreneurs benefit the budding business owners personally as well as at the organization level. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about how to have a highly profitable online business in the next 30 minutes without a website, without creating products, and even if you don't have a list yet. 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad: What the Rich Teach Their Kids About Money That the Poor and Middle Class Do Not. Robert T. Kiyosaki. Rich Dad Poor Dad is one of the best personal finance books of all times. It tells the story of the author, his two fathers, real dad and the father of his best friend, and the way things influence the author's thinking on money and investing it. The book points out the difference between having your money work for you and working for money. 2. The 4-Hour Workweek: Escape 9 to 5, Live Anywhere, and Join the New Rich, Timothy Ferriss. This book will make you think different. The author explains the benefits of focusing on the most important things and not wasting time on social media, email and phone checking. Timothy explains how he outsourced the work to virtual assistants overseas as well as to employees. Minimizing distractions and outsourcing has enabled Timothy to become much more effective and efficient. The author gives a set of great advice that is helpful to all entrepreneurs. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about how to have a highly profitable online business in the next 30 minutes without a website, without creating products, and even if you don't have a list yet. 3. How to Win Friends and Influence People: Dale Carnegie. This book is a self-help book. It is necessary to know that it is essential to win people over to your way of thinking. For this, you need to know how to make good conversation and to get people to like you. In other words, the book explains what you need to do to succeed in your business. 4. Getting Things Done: The Art of Stress-Free Productivity, David Allen. Getting Things Done is one of the best books on improving productivity. It is a guide on how to use your time efficiently. David Allen says that the more relaxed we are, the better the productivity is. This is because, when the mind is in a relaxed mode, thoughts get organized effectively, which leads to higher productivity. David Allen explains in the book the method of enhancing productivity. 5. Predictably Irrational: The Hidden Forces That Shape Our Decisions, Dan Ariely. This book looks deep into consumer habits and human behavior. It focuses on the revelation that wired to be irrational of humans. Dan Ariely goes deeper using plenty of experiments to show fuzzier than economists would like it to be. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about how to have a highly profitable online business in the next 30 minutes without a website, without creating products, and even if you don't have a list yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.